Inverted conditionals. Turning grammar on its head. Hello, language learners. Today we're diving into an interesting twist on conditionals, inverted conditionals. It's a fascinating topic that can help to make your English more sophisticated and fluent. Don't worry if it sounds a little tricky, we're going to break it all down step by step. Inversion in conditionals refers to a grammar structure where we switch the positions of the subject and auxiliary verb in a sentence. This is usually done in conditional sentences to make them more formal or dramatic. It's not something you'll see in everyday conversation, but it's very common in writing and formal speech. For example, instead of saying, "If I were rich, I would travel the world," with inversion we might say, "Were I rich, I would travel the world." Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how to use this in your own writing and speech. For an inverted conditional, start with the auxiliary verb or modal, were, had, should, followed by the subject, and then the rest of the sentence. Remember, we only use this with conditional sentences that have a verb in the if clause. For example, normal. If you should need help, call me. Inverted. Should you need help, call me. Inverted conditionals are used to add emphasis or to make a statement more formal or dramatic. They're often found in literary texts, speeches, and formal writing. It's important to remember that while inverted conditionals can add style and flair to your writing, they should be used sparingly and only in the right context. For example, had I known about the traffic, I would have left earlier. Were she to hear this news, she would be devastated. Let's look at a few more examples to solidify the concept. Had I the means, I would donate a huge amount to charity. Were it to rain tomorrow, we would have to cancel the picnic. Note: the second part of these sentences, after the comma, follows the standard structure of a second or third conditional sentence. That's a wrap on our exploration of inverted conditionals. We hope this has helped clear up how to use them, when to use them, and why they can be a powerful tool in your English language arsenal. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try using an inverted conditional in your writing today. Keep learning, keep growing, and as always, happy studying.